For today's home tip, we're going to talk about cats, and if you have cats, how to prevent them from peeing on your surfaces, because we are struggling. I'll be honest with you, Natalie and I are having a hard time with our middle cat. His name is Mickey, or we call him Buddy. This is why we have a gate behind us here, and if you look behind us, we have this couch, and it's covered in plastic. We have tried almost everything to get him to stop peeing on this couch. Now, he doesn't pee on the couch directly. Natalie had like this old tablecloth, not an old tablecloth, it's a tablecloth we were using because it has that waxy kind of surface, so the pee didn't penetrate through to the couch, which was good. But the problem is, we think he just got that smell in there. We tried washing it multiple times. He kept coming back to it. So we went out and we tried all those pheromone things, you know, those plugging on the walls and spraying stuff everywhere, and it just didn't really help. It's more of a behavioral thing. It's not necessarily an issue. When he does have issues, he does pee in front of us because he's had a lot of issues. But I think the best thing that helped us along the way, and it's only been recently, is one, we put you can see back there, we had to put a litter box close to the couch so he doesn't pee on it and make sure it's all covered. But the second thing, which also helps, is new plastic. Try to change that plastic out whenever you possibly can, because again, cats don't know any difference. They know they're different, but they can smell where they peed before and they'll go back. So try to do some modifications. If you have any tips which helped you, if you've been in the same situation as we've been in, I'd love to hear your tip from me as well.